In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working Hollister coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for Hollister coupon code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website which is called Simply Codes. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, you want to get this one with 50% discount right here. All you need to do is select this button where it says get code, and this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap right here to copy the promo code, and you can use this one in order to get a 50% discount off your next purchase. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Voucher Codes. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes and some deals as well that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, you want to get this one with up to 50% discount of menswear. All you need to do is select this button right here where it says get sale. And for this one, there is no code required. So basically, all you need to do is just select this button where it says continue to Hollister, and you will be redirected to the website where the promotion will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.